Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can change your HUD on Cyberpunk 2077. It's really easy and it shouldn't take a lot of time, so let's get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is just go on, once you're on this main menu of Cyberpunk, just go over on the settings button and it should take you to this menu. Right here we are going to go over on the interface button on this bar and it should take us to this. Here you can see you have HUD visibility, and now you can just customize many things about your HUD, like having your minimap show up or not, health bar, stamina and oxygen, boss health bars, background chats, ammo counter, hints, action buttons, activity log, crosshair, and job tracker. You can also set them to default, which will restore the settings in this section to the default ones, but you can make them just as you like, so you have an optimum gaming experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.